I'm back on our YouTube video today, and I have white and green glue, and I'm going to mix it up. This is going to be a slime challenge, so I'm going to mix these up. Don't look, pick one. So, and my last one, I made this is what I made. It was green glue, green clay, blue glitter and pink glitter. Not stretchy at all. Like it just breaks. Just like do this and take it out like that. That's the only way you'll get it to get long. So this was my last video. It didn't post for some reason. Sorry for that. You guys didn't get to see. Now I made this clay slime. But so I have green and white left. Let's turn around and I'm gonna mix it up. Not looking. Okay, I gotta pick now. I'm gonna turn around and pick. I want this one over here. So I guess I get white. White or sure. So the next step is off camera. I added soap in already. Next step is glitter. Let's mix these up. Red. So we get red clay. There's that. I said that in the last video, but that didn't happen because I don't know. I guess I'm not gonna mix this stuff in. But okay, you know what? I'm gonna make this one challenges. I'm gonna go for another color without the red. Rainbow! Yay! I always get this colors. Like, why do I get green to ruin the slime? Okay, now we got clay plate. I used green from my last one, so I'm not gonna use it again. This is very old clay, by the way, so it's not going to do very well. We're going to mix this plate up. And like that, pick one up. Oh, red. And guys, if you're wondering, I am not cheating. Let me tell you that I'm not cheating. I gotta go really quick in this video, so I'm just doing that, getting my tide, and start mixing. Oh no! All the glitter stuck together. I'm just going quick in this video, guys, so maybe I can do another one. Never know. There we go. There's the slime. Let's set the plate over there. Start mending it together. Ooh, look at the color. Pretty. Okay, now for the clay. I'm only adding a little bit at a time because this is one of the tiniest slimes. I didn't put a lot of glue in this one. Trying to mix this clay and very well to dye it. I don't know. I don't know how much clay I'm gonna put in because I do want it a pink, but then I kind of do want it a red. Let's see. This is what it looks like right now, just chunks of red. And guys, comment down below if I'm doing it wrong. Tell me if I'm supposed to put the clay in before I put the activator in. Or I'm doing it correct. Who knows, am I doing it wrong? Or am I doing it correct? Let's say, if I hit this is going to be so small, but I'll be very glad if I do hit this. 50 likes, you get to see a part 2 of this, guys. And I will do a video of me spending $10 at Dollar Tree, and I'll bring it home and I'll say if I want to get or not to get it. Tell me that down below. $50 likes, got it, guys? And the next, nope, just 50 likes, and you have to do it before 2019. And that's a very long time from now, and I'll be very impressed if I get there. So I'll do a part 2 of this video. You know what? I'm just gonna do it anyways because it's gonna be fun. Because I like this video, but I'll spend $10 at Dollar Tree if I get 50 likes on this video. 50 likes, that's all I'm asking for. Okay, guys? 50 likes. I go buy 10 things at Dollar Tree, tell you if it's a thing you should get or not get at the Dollar Tree. Okay, this is my slime. I like this one way better than the green one. Okay. I think this one's better. I don't know what's with that green one. This is my red one, this is my green one. This is how stretchy it is. This is its bubble. This is clicking. I didn't really try hard on the bubble, but okay, stretching. Bubble. Won't even do bubble.